Hi guys. So today we'll do a few stretches on the bed. For doing these asanas, you do not need any prior yoga experience and anyone can do it. And these are really helpful to get a better sleep and for stress relieving. So before we start, wear something comfortable, dim the lights a little bit and get onto the bed. Namaste, welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So let's start today's practice. Sit in a comfortable position. You can take the help of a pillow to place it under your hips. So this helps you to sit straight and more comfortable. And then place your palms towards the sky. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more joyful breath in and exhale. Become aware of your body. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more joyful breath in and exhale. Gently open your eyes. Now take your right palm, place it on the left ear. And as you breathe in, breathe out, gently bend your head. Touch the right ear to the right shoulder. Do not put any pressure from the left hand. Do it very gently. See, there's a lot of stress accumulated mainly on the shoulders. Feel the stretch and let go all the stress. Slowly come back to the center and relax. Now the other side. Breathe in. Breathe out your left ear to the left shoulder. The left hand is above the right ear. Feel the stretch on the right side of the neck. Become aware of the breath. Keep connecting to your breath. Wherever your mind is going, just consciously get it back. Relax completely. And then come back to the center and relax. Interlace your hands behind your head. Just place them behind your head. Breathe in, take your neck back. Breathe out, gently bend your head. Get your elbows close to your ears. Stay there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, come back. And breathe out, relax. We'll twist to the right. Look over your right shoulder. Center as you exhale, left. Center right. And center left. And relax. Now interlace your hands behind yourself. Breathe in, take your neck back. Breathe out, gently bend forward as much as you can and stretch out your hands. Stretch out. Stay there. Breathe out, gently come up and relax. Relax your hands. Now get your soles of your feet together. Get them close to your body. And now, like a butterfly, let's flap our wings. See how much ever it's possible. Now as you breathe in, take your neck back. Breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, relax. Now slowly go a little behind. Take your feet forward, stretch your feet out. Now slowly bend your right leg. Place the right sole beside left thigh. As you breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out, bend forward. Make sure your back is straight. Bend forward as much as you can and stay there. Relax in this posture. If you're not able to come, touch your stomach to your thigh. Just get a pillow. Just bend forward on the pillow and rest. Take a breath in. Breathe out. One more breath in. And exhale. Slowly come up and relax. Now we'll do it with the other leg. The left sole comes near the right thigh. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, bend forward. Bend forward and stay there. If it's required, you can just take the pillow also and stay there. Relax yourself. Feel the stretch in the right hamstrings, right calf muscle. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, relax. Now slowly, we'll widen our legs, stretch out our legs. We'll take a pillow in the front. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently bend forward. If you're not able to come down this much, you can take another pillow. Just stack it up and bend forward and relax. Stretch your feet out. Relax yourself. Feel the stretch on the thigh muscles. Now slowly as you breathe in, come up, breathe out, relax. Please sit back, make some space for yourself and slowly lie down on your bed. You can make some space. I'm just moving the pillows out. Slide down. Bend your right leg and then hug it to your chest. As you breathe out, lift your head up, touch your nose to your knee. And relax, relax your leg, the other leg. Bend your left leg, hug it to your chest. Breathe out, lift your chin up, head up. And relax. Bend both your legs from your knees. Hug them to your chest. Lift up. Your nose in between your knees. And now slowly relax your head. Gently massage. Just move side to side, whatever feels comfortable to you. And relax. Place the palms beside your thighs. Head is relaxed, and gently pressing the feet onto the bed, lift your hips up. Lift up a little more and release. Just relax your hands. Drop your knees to the right side. Center. Drop them to the left. Relax your spine. Again, center. Once again, just like a viper. Center. Once again, whatever feels good for your back. Come back to the center. And now slowly we'll join at the soles of the feet together. And if the thighs are not touching the bed, place the pillows on either side. Just relax. Relax your hands and rest. Make yourself comfortable. Take a breath in. Breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Again, become aware of your belly. As you breathe in, the stomach expands, it goes up. Breathe out, it comes down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently straighten your legs, keeping the eyes closed. You can place the pillow under your head. Just rest in Shavasana. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Become aware of your body and place the entire weight of the body on the bed. Become aware of your left foot, left knee, left thigh and hip, and relax your entire left leg. And become aware of your right foot, right ankle, right knee, right thigh and hip, and your entire right leg. Relax your genitals, abdomen, stomach region, chest region. Right hand, left hand, shoulders, neck, your face, become aware of the top of your head, back of the head. Relax your whole body completely. Let's make a humming bee sound. Breathe in. Once again. Breathe in. Relax. With every exhalation, relax even more. Let's feel grateful for today. Become more aware of all the incidents which happened today. Remember those small things which made you happy. Be grateful for each and every moment. The more grateful you are, the more grace flows in. So let's be grateful for this body, for this day. Take a breath in and breathe out. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kashit dukhabhat bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Breathe in and breathe out. I hope you have a good night's sleep. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining.